सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक करें।
A former top US health officials had told Congress the country could face its darkest winter in modern history because of the coronavirus. Rick Bright led the government agency trying to develop a vaccine but was removed from his post last month. Mr. Bright says he was ousted from the job after refusing to promote an untested drug treatment being touted as a game changer by President Trump. Mr. Trump has claimed Mr. Bright is a disgruntled employee. Mr. Bright also told the House of Representatives subcommittee on health lives were lost because of government inaction in the early stages of the outbreak. He said he first spoke out about a medical equipment shortage in January, raising the issue to the highest levels of the Department of Health and Human Services (HHS), but got no response. During his testimony, Mr. Bright warned that the US window of opportunity to deal with the coronavirus was closing. If we fail to improve our response now based on science, I fear the pandemic will get worse and be prolonged, he said. Without better planning, 2020 could be the darkest winter in modern history. Mr. Bright also told the subcommittee that in January he received an email he would never forget from a supplier of medical grade face masks who warned a surf shortage. He said, "We need to act," and I pushed that forward to the highest level that I could of HHS and got no response. Mr. Bright said his removal from his post was the result of his insisting that money allocated by Congress to deal with the virus should be put into safe and scientifically vetted solutions and not drugs, vaccines, and their other technologies that lack scientific merit. I spoke out then and I'm testing today because science, not politics or cronyism, must lead the way to combat this deadly virus, he added. A whistleblower complaint filed earlier this month says Mr. Bright was removed from his post as director of the Biomedical Advanced Research Development Authority for political reasons. Mr. Bright says he was ousted for refusing to push the drugs hydroxychloroquine and the related chloroquine as potential cures for COVID-19. President Trump has referred the hydroxychloroquine, an anti-malarial drug, as a potential game changer in the treatment of COVID-19, despite many experts cautioning that it could be infective or even dangerous. Research conducted by the Veterans Health Administration is the US, which has been submitted for expert review, suggests the drugs have no benefit for those taking it and could actually raise the risk of death for patients in US Veterans Hospital. Mr. Bright complains alleges that he chose to speak to a journalist because government officials refused to listen to his warnings. He said he had an obligation to try and protect the public from drugs which he believed constitute a substantial and specific danger to public health and safety. After the hearing, President Trump told reporters, "I don't know him, I had never met him, I don't want to meet him." but I watched him and he looks like an angry, disgruntled employee who, frankly, according to some people, didn't do a very good job. Health Secretary Alex Azar claimed officials had followed Mr. Bright's recommendations. Everything he was complaining about was achieved, what he talked about was done, Mr. Azar said. He said he talked about the need for respirators. We procured respirators at the president's direction. He said we need a Manhattan project on vaccine. We had a Manhattan.
आप देख रहे हैं द लाइव न्यूज, सच सबसे आगे। द लाइव न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में इस बेल आइकन पर